Hello, what's up guys? This is Alex. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make a simple egg salad for my breakfast. And I'm so excited. This is my really first video that I ever make before. And please, if you guys like this video, please like and share. And if you guys have any suggestion, you can comment down below and then let me know what should I do for next video. Thank you. So let's start with me if you guys want to see how I make it. Come on. Oh, sorry, I need some music. Music's on. Nice. This is how you do, man.